How to get $300 Uber coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Uber coupon code and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Groupon.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber. Once you're on this website, just scroll down and check out the offers. 10% off, 60% off, $30 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, just go ahead and click on it. With that, you will get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can check whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, copy the code and then click on Shop Now. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in the official website of it, go ahead and log into your account. Book your ride and proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your ride. With that, you're gonna get the discount in your ride. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber. To grab any of the offer, you have to use same exact steps. Lastly, head back. Once you're in this website section, you can also give a try to other website, as other website will also provide a working coupon code for Uber. So this way you can easily get up to $300 off Uber coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.